Audio is one of the most important aspects of your game. Without it, your game would feel dead. But many of you don't know how you can customize and filter your audio to get the desired results. It is because you are unaware of some amazing audio filters built in Unity engine. Hello everyone, I am your game dev companion, and in this video you will learn what those audio filters are and how you can exploit them to get your desired audio. So subscribe to the channel and watch the full video to understand game development better. Here, I have a simple scene with a button that plays this audio source, which in turn plays this audio clip.
Mission completed.
If I press play and click here, you can hear the audio playing.
Mission completed. Mission completed.
Now let's get to the effects. The first effect is the audio chorus filter. This filter makes your audio play like a chorus is speaking that line. Listen it.
Mission completed. Mission completed. Mission completed. Mission completed.
You can notice the difference.
Mission completed. Mission completed.
You can play with these settings and experiment as you want. This filter is very useful in conditions where you got some kind of prayer of a chorus singing in your game. Now let's move to the second one. The second effect is the audio distortion filter. This filter makes your audio like one coming from a radio.
Mission completed. Mission completed. Mission completed. Mission completed.
This filter becomes very useful in case you have an audio to be played from a radio or an old TV. The third effect is the audio echo filter, and it does exactly what its name says. It makes your audio echo.
Mission completed. Mission completed.
You can use this filter where you need this echo effect in your audio, like someone speaking a voice line in a cave or something. The next effect is the audio high pass filter. This filter passes high frequencies and blocks the lower ones.
Mission completed. Mission complete.
You can specify it here. The frequencies lower than the cutoff frequency will be blocked.
Mission completed.
Now the last effect for this video is the audio low pass filter. It does the exact opposite of the previous one. It blocks high frequencies and only passes the frequencies below the cutoff value.
Mission completed. Mission completed. Mission completed. Mission completed. Mission completed.
Now you may use these filters to make your game better. If you know some other implications of these filters, then let me know in the comments. Hit the like if you found this useful and subscribe if you are new to the channel. This was all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.